Hey, what's up? I'm Hide. Welcome to my channel, and my channel is HideTheOnes. Please subscribe my channel. Well, today I get this, Crossfade M-100 by V-Moda. This V-Moda is a very good headphone, and Martin Garrix, Avicii, and other DJs, producer use this. And this is a high-end model. Finally, I get this. Yes. This headphone is over-ear headphone, and the frequency response is 5 to 30,000 Hz. And sensitivity is 103 decibel, and impedance is 32 ohms, and weight is 280 grams. I check that homepage. I recommend you check this headphone before buying, because you maybe don't like this feeling. But I like this feeling, so it's okay, because this is not reasonable price, over $200. It's expensive, man, but quality is awesome. Yeah, 100% awesome. So I'm very excited now. I want to open this. So let's go unboxing. And look this box. I never seen before this type box. This is so unique. There is a strap, so we need cut. Hey. Okay, open. And first is this. What is this? Accessories recommend maybe? World first 3D metal headphones. This means this area. This area we can change, customize. So check Avicii video. And what next? Okay. Oh, sponge. Nice cushion. And okay, finally. Yeah. And there is a seat. Oh, not seat. Okay. This is a what's that? Active your premier warranty and 50% immortal life program. Oh, it's nice. Special message from the founder and CEO, Paul Colton. Grazie. Thank you. And well, headphone. Of course, this is just a case. This is so compact. And open. Good. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Look at this. Oh, what's this? Oh, another parts. And okay, what should I do? What should I do? But this is so compact, right? Alright. Okay. Hey. And another. Hey. Okay. I did it. This is nice. And there is a logo V-Moda. And okay, R and L. Inside here is R and there is L. So okay, let's go. How about this? I love this. This is a little small, but good feeling for me. It's nice. And we can change size like this. Okay. Ta-da! I like this. It's awesome. This is my headphone, HyperX Cloud 2. That headphone, Cloud 2, only for game. And for music is this. How about this? I like this. This is so awesome. Maybe my life change, more bright and more happier. It's awesome. You can understand that's why Martin Garrix and Avicii use this headphone. It's good. Okay, so see you next time, dude. Please enjoy my music and video. I love you guys. Enjoy your life. Bye.